What's up, folks? Man Amazing here. Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to work on AI movement as well as setting up our NavMesh, which is very crucial to getting our AI to move into the side where they can and cannot go. So the first thing that we're going to do is set up our entity for the AI. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to name it AI agent. We're also going to create a child entity and name that AI weapon, which we'll use in another video. Once we do that, we want to create a few components for the AI agent, such as rigid body physics, a primitive collider since we're going to be using a capsule, and of course the capsule shape. Then we're going to add a tag component and we're going to name that enemy. Then we're going to add a navigation component so we can allow our AI agent to move. For our agent speed, we're going to set that to 2. And for our arrival distance threshold, we're going to set that to 2 as well. And the last thing we want to add is a Lua script. Name it whatever you want and open it up. So as you can see here, my script is called AI move with the typical Lua setup. First thing that we're going to do is add a property called entity to attack. We're going to set that to entity ID. And then we're going to access the navigation component request bus. And we're going to use find path to entity to have our AI follow the player when it activates. Make sure you save that and head back to the editor. The next thing we want to do is create a new entity and call that NavMesh. We want to head over to the component area and add a navigation area component. And that's going to require a polygon prism shape. And you'll use the 4 points on the shape to shape your navigation area. So go ahead and do that. Once you have that done, make sure you go to Game, AI, and make sure you have Visualize Navigation Accessibility checked, as well as the View Agent type, which should be already set to medium characters because that's the only type that we have. Under Navigation Area, hit the plus icon for Agent type so that the NavMesh area can generate a walkable area for our AI. Now the last thing we want to do is head over to our AI agent, scroll down to the navigation component, and at the very last option you'll see it says move physically. You want to uncheck that. Now Amazon does recommend that you actually use this option because it will accurately move the character around hills and humps and bumps, but for the simplicity of this tutorial we're going to uncheck it and allow it to use the transform component on the character. If you hit play, you should have a movable AI moving towards the character. That'll do it for this video. If you guys have any questions or comments, let me know below. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Other than that, hope you guys are having a very dope day. Hope you guys are prospering in your projects. And until next time, keep developing.